Hey, what's up? It's so good to be back. I can't wait to get started with this video. And today I will be showing you my hand-picked 7 best Etsy dropshipping products that are currently making over $8,000 a month on the platform. So I'm not just speculating here. These are real products which you can replicate and improve and innovate on to run your own products and generate even more than $8,000 a month. So let's dive into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this first product here is an oldie but goodie, and it is really a tried and true product of the Etsy platform. So you have one which is jewelry and the other which is pets. And combining those two together is an explosive combination. You will be getting really good results with this. And of course it's personalized, which offers the ability to have much higher conversion rates than a non-personalized product. So this one's great for all pet lovers, and you're probably going to be targeting the mothers, the pet mothers. So I would say women that are 35 plus. They're going to be the most invested in this product, and I will make sure to provide a guide down below which has all of the products and their AliExpress links, so make sure you grab that before the end of the video. Okay, so product number 2 is actually not even a dropshipping product, it's a print-on-demand product. So if you guys want to go and recreate this product right now, you can have this exact product up probably within the next 30 to 45 minutes. Basically, my thought process on that is you go to Fiverr, tell them, hey, I want to recreate this design. They'll do it between $5 and $10, and then you can post it on something like Printful, which integrates automatically with Etsy and is approved under Etsy guidelines. But the reason why this product is doing so well is because it's actually Taylor Swift themed. So if I head over to product analytics here, you can see this product is doing over $30,000 in revenue per month, and the listing age is only 2 months old. So less than 60 days ago, this product was launched, and it's already doing some pretty crazy numbers. That just goes to show how much pull Taylor Swift has, not to mention a near 4.5% conversion rate. So this product is super hot right now, and I would definitely look into selling all things Taylor Swift related, but not using her name on any of the products, because that can get you taken down, but just Taylor Swift related, and it will do very well. And like I said, this is print on demand, so you can launch it today if you want. Okay, on to product number 3. I love this product because I used to sell t-shirts the exact same way on Etsy. I used to do celebrity t-shirts, and this is very similar. So it's inspired off of a movie, therefore you're not trying to recreate the wheel. You can just hijack the trend that's already there. And this is Halloween inspired, of course, and it's print on demand as well. So you can launch this, like I said, within the next 30 minutes. And I would actually start a Halloween inspired store. There's very low risk, it's Etsy compliant, and it's all US in-house fulfillment with fast shipping. So another great product, and another product that can be innovated on and done better. Even if you just replicate the next 5 designs on here, if I take a look at product analytics, this one's doing, again, $25,000 plus in revenue, and it is a relatively new listing. So lots of room to be improved, and lots of things to be conquered in this space. Okay, we're hopping on to product number 4 here. This is a quilted Sherpa line jacket, and I really love this one because this one is like truly representative of what it means to have a physical product on Etsy. And what I mean by that is it just fits all the criteria. If you think about your ideal customer, you know, woman 25 plus, which is what dominate on the Etsy platform, they're going to eat this up. I could see my sister wearing this. I could see my mom wearing this. I could see many women that are 25 plus being very interested in this because it has a lot of the traits that go along with what they're looking for and what it means to identify with the Etsy platform. Some of those are the authentic floral and quilted vibe. Generally, quilts are handmade. I don't know if this is handmade or not, but it combines a lot of the most popular traits of the platform into one product. And that's why obviously this is doing so well. As you can see, listing age of 1 month. So in the past 30 days, they listed this product and it's doing over $12,000 monthly in revenue. So this product is exploding right now, and I highly recommend you look into selling it. All right, we're on to product number 5, and this is another Halloween themed product. And how do I know this is drop shipped? Well, they took this video from TikTok and just put it on their listing, which is something I recommend for all sellers to do to gain content much more quickly. But this is a completely dropship product. Just they took images from online, and as you can see, it's doing pretty well right here. Listing age of 1 month. So again, listed less than 30 days ago, and a monthly revenue of almost $35,000. Double down on the Halloween stuff. If you're watching this video and you made it this far, double down on Halloween stuff right now and you won't be disappointed. It's very wise to start selling Halloween stuff right now as it's just around the corner. And as you can see, this product is doing extremely well. Okay, product number 6. This might be my favorite product on the whole video because this product I've seen come around every single year. And that is the one thing about dropshipping, is that you can sell the same products over and over and over again. And this one is no exception. You don't need to reinvent the wheel and try and find new ones that work. There are products that just consistently sell every single year, and this is a perfect example. This is just a tried and true product. It does very well on Amazon and other marketplaces, meaning it would do well on here as well. And it is. It's a bestseller and it's relatively new. The only difference is it's just Halloween themed. So like I said, double down on Halloween stuff, and these slippers, anything, these jack-o'-lantern slippers or jack-o'-fluffs, they do extremely well. And I know a lot of my friends that have sold these as well. So if you're looking into selling these, grab some other designs other than these. Try and be original, try and find new ones that aren't on the platform yet and list them on there because they're already proven to work and they're gonna do really well. All right, product number 7, last but not least, kind of a funny, quirky product. And the reason why I chose this is, no, it doesn't have the most monthly revenue. It's sitting at around $3,000 monthly revenue. The reason why I chose this is because there are a ton of figurines just like this that are not on Etsy yet that have high potential to be sold on here. Like I said, think about your end customer. These types of figurines and like table weights can be very powerful. I remember seeing not too long ago some brass snails on here doing about $30,000 a month, and this is very similar. So you've got snails, you've got crocodiles, you've got all the animals in the world that are ready to be listed on the platform but aren't right now. So another untapped opportunity. And that will wrap it up for the product list. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to extend a personal thank you for watching the whole thing. And down below is my Discord community, which I truly believe it is the #1 Etsy dropshipping community. And we don't just do dropshipping, we do print on demand, we do digital products and dropshipping as well, as long as weekly calls, new product updates, and it's super active over there. We have over 6,000 free members at this point. So I'd love to see you in there. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.